Hi! In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Language and Keyboard. Then select the Virtual Keyboard. Click on Touchpad. And finally, select Smart Input over here. Now you need to click on Prediction and then click on this little square next to autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!